we would like to introduce FANUC spot welding robots. The R1000IA series is a medium-sized robot with a payload of 80 kilograms to 130 kilograms. The slim arm is suitable for high-density layout of robots. The 7-axis robot, R1000IA 120F7B, is ideal for spot welding within narrow space around workpieces by taking advantage of the redundant axis. The R2000IC series has been introduced to many manufacturing sites, and with the high reliability from years of experience, you can use it with confidence. It will be assured with the high reliability from years of experience. Many variations are available suited for spot welding sites, with a payload of 100 kilograms to 270 kilograms, various reaches, and multiple installation types such as floor, rack, upside-down mounting. The R2000ID series is a robot with wrist cables completely integrated. With its stylish and functional design, it received both the Grand Prix of the 62nd Nikkan Koyo Shimbun Top 10 New Products Award of 2019, and the Outstanding Performance Award Nikkei Sanjo Shimbun Award of the Nihon Keizai Shimbun Superior Products and Services Award of 2019. Since the wrist cables are completely embedded inside the robot arm, it is possible to apply the offline teaching performed in advance to the actual site without worrying about the behavior of the cables. 3 variations with the same reach and different payloads are lined up, and a suitable model can be selected according to the tool. The M900IB series is a heavy-duty robot with a payload of 280 kilograms to 700 kilograms. Out of 6 variations, a suitable one can be selected according to your application. This series is suitable for spot welding of large workpieces, used a large servo welding gun. It is ideal for joining applications that require high arm stiffness, such as FDS and rivet welding, as well as spot welding.